Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Parents, they devoted their life to us. They are a treasure from heaven, angels in the form of human beings who have spread their wings of mercy over their children. Allah first commands that we must worship Him, but immediately follows by commanding us to treat our parents well.
وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا.
And your Lord commanded that you should worship Him alone and be kind to your parents. We're not just commanded to treat our parents well, rather Allah commands us to be careful not to even annoy them under any condition, and we must treat them very kindly. We must address them with sensible words, not push them away, nor say even the slightest annoying words to them.
إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا.
If one of them or both of them reach old age, do not say to them even the slightest annoying word, and do not drive them away, and speak to them noble words. Allah is grateful and loves grateful people. He commands the believers to pray for their parents and ask Allah to show them mercy as they raised me with mercy when I was small.
وَاخْفِضْ لَهُمَا جَنَاحَ الذُّلِّ مِنَ الرَّحْمَةِ وَقُل رَّبِّ ارْحَمْهُمَا كَمَا رَبَّيَانِي صَغِيرًا.
Extend the wings of humility with mercy over them and say, "O God, show mercy on both of them as they raised me when I was small." In a nutshell, Islam teaches us to respect and cherish our parents, who are like treasures of love. Just as we worship Allah, we should treat our parents well.